It's May 13th, 2010, and we're departing from Hamburg on the Queen Mary 2 to New York, end of our vacation this year. Complimentary champagne from the ship, Queen Mary 2, Canard line, so I'm going to open it up and probably blow my eyeball out.
The low-level guidance system will be activated.
This is how.
Be careful.
Escape from a smoke-filled area. Stay as low as possible to the floor, as it may become necessary to crawl. Follow the low-level
Any bubble?
Of course. This is champagne mid gas.
Oh God.
Do not use lids in
Don't give me too much.
It's only a half a bottle. Back in the cold water it goes.
Okay. Cheers. Good luck.
Head to the end of a good vacation.
Bon voyage.
8 days. Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
I love you. 13 May 2010. Queen Mary 2, sailing from Hamburg to Auf Wiedersehen.
What? Southampton.
You're supposed to say goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen, Hamburg. She's shy little.
I know.
This is the people hogging the rails so we can't get near it to make a good movie. Most of them are German. They don't understand me. This is the new opera house. And this is all the common people in Hamburg who come down to wave goodbye to the great Queen Mary 2. Cranes everywhere in this place. Do you have a few parting words for our television audience?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are? You are what? Do you have a few parting words for our television audience?
Bon voyage. Cut the crap.
She's had a little too much champagne in it. Mid-gas. Thrusting off now.
Say something.
As we say goodbye to Hamburg, all of our many friends have come down to wave goodbye. I think, do we owe any of them money?
I think so.
I was wondering why they all showed up. Yeah, there's that taxi driver that's all pissed off at us that didn't tip me. Shoot down the water.
Ja, ich fahre, man merkt es gar nicht, ich glaube gerade gar nicht. Alles klar. Bis gleich, tschüss.
Oh yeah. The clock. There was a lot of people here. Bon voyage.
Yeah, I know.